Gabby and G's family!
Oh, hi mga beshi ko. Today is a special day because it's my special someone's birthday. No other than Cyrus. And not just him but also Tito J. And we choose to celebrate their birthday here in 71 and Land Resort, which is located at KM19 Los Amigos, Tubok District, Davao City. Yung daan niya papasok is medyo rough road. And because of that, we didn't expect that much. Pero napapalapit na kami, napansin namin na marami silang mga guests. And here is Tia paying for our entrance fee, which is 150 per head. And walang bayad yung mga bata, just like Shiro and Hero. And also free yung mga birthday celebrant. Kaya ayun, libre si Tito J at si Cyrus. And as we arrive, of course, chubog agad. Cause what time na rin nang dumating kami? Mga 1 PM na ata to. So come on guys, let's eat! So here is their pool, no? As I said kanina, di kami nag-expect that much. Pero nung nakapasok na kami, we realized that we should not judge the book by its cover. Because as you see, nice yung pool nila. May mga pang kids and may pang adults. And also flowing din yung water nila kaya hindi marumi. And now we decided to try their fish spa, which is 30 pesos per head and 30 minutes na yun. And this is my first time trying this. At first talagang nakakakiliti siya. But sooner or later, may enjoy mo na yung mga fish biting your feet. And here we are enjoying it. So at first, kami lang ni Tia, Jergy at Carl ang nag-try. But sooner or later ay dumating na rin dito sila Jandy at Cutie. And they also join us. We really enjoy a lot in here. And nauna na ako umahon sa kanila kasi nagsastart na mag-cry itong aming baby. And meron din pala sila ditong fishing activity, which you can also try. And they also have a jockey area. And they also have an event place. I'm not that sure but I think it is. And here is Shiro playing with his papa. Kung kanina ayaw niyang lumapit sa pool, now naman ayaw niya nang umalis sa pool. And as you see, napakaraming tao. Cause it's weekend. Unexpected mo na talaga na maraming manliliko. Cause aside sa weekend, ay napakainit rin ang ating weather. After maligo ni Shiro, dinalaw na siya ng antok. Kaya heto, nagpapayakap sa akin. At maya-maya nga lang ay nakatulog na. Pati na rin itong si Isha at si Hero. At pinagkasya na nga lang namin silang tatlo dito sa isang table. And here we are, pauwi na. And while waiting sa sasakyan, ay nagstay muna kami dito sa kanilang mini restaurant. And heto nga yung mga employees nila dito, which is napakababait at napaka-friendly. Ay di napilin yung sarili nila na hiramin si Hero. Kasi miss na daw nilang mawak ng baby. And heto nga yung boss nila, ay kinuha rin si Hero. And I think that's the honor of the resort. At sinayaw-sayaw niya pa nga si Hero. Nagbibiruan pa kami nung time na to, na baka masanay si baby na sinasayaw. And here we are na nga, we're leaving already. It's time to go home. Once again, happy birthday dear Cyrus and Tito J. Tomorrow again, bye bye.